Death threats I got from DJs.
From DJs. Oh, that's a lovely story. Let's talk about that.
Yeah,
before
we can
end.
talk. It's true.
This is a true story. This I remember. But last time you were discussing.
You
it.
laughed so much.
I didn't laugh. I just.
You laughed.
I just thought that as a persecuted community, when you think of all the terrorism of the world, that the DJ outfit should not be the one that.
But you found it so funny.
I'm DJ Sakshi from Chembur, and
They'll come after you. Okay.
But now it's. But quickly, for those who don't know, very quickly. So
what happened? 2018, my
Yeah.
previous stand-up special called Kal Mein Udega had a set about DJs, which got viral on YouTube, and then DJs got very upset.
But just give a bit of it, now, so they understand what you said.
I mean, it's a very basic observational humor. It was
Yeah.
like the DJs are like, make some noise, and I'm like, no, you make noise, we will dance. I mean, don't make score competition. Why am I doing your job?
Fair.
Like, it's the simple jokes, right? Like I hate DJs. They're like, in the end, when they're about to leave, they're like, all right, that's my last song. I'm like, don't say once more. Don't say. They crave for it. Don't give it to them. And things like that, basic
So
observations.
they took that personally.
They took that personally, and they were very upset. And then for 4 months, I started getting threats, death threats, violence threats.
Yeah.
I had to move with the personal bodyguard for my shows and stuff.
Wow.
Yeah, and they knew where one DJ made a video, threatened me. And if you go on my Instagram,
So that guy was. Did you go to the police with the video?
no man,
Because the video got a lot of views and he did really well.
it must have gone. But
What's his name, the DJ?
I don't remember his name. He had a pseudonym.
Yeah.
I don't know his actual name.
DJ Bablu or something.
No,
How
but
do
I
you
know.
catch the guy?
Yeah. So it got really bad.
But no one actually attacked you.
But they came in Gurgaon. So I got like on my Facebook, I was doing a show with Mike AV in Gurgaon, who also likes traveling. So, and they had written a post like this, whatever, like this, and like Maria would say, this is performing.
Gali.
Is performing in this.
Let's get
lot
him.
Of let's get him. Four of them had come. So I'd taken the screenshot, sent it to my management, and they'd shared it with the bodyguards and all. Like, oh, these guys, and they came for the show.
But they came inside.
But they couldn't come because there was bodyguards, so they couldn't beat me up.
But they came with like weapons and all.
Not with weapons and all, cricket bat and
They came to play.
stumps. There was no ball.
Okay, chalo match चालू करते हैं. Show बहुत boring है.
Yeah. Maybe that's what. Yeah. Actually, that's
So was there any action taken?
no action was taken. It died down after 4 months.
By the way, in Mumbai, do you say DJ or DJ?
DJ.
DJ.
Yeah.
I mean,
I'm not falling for this trap.
No?
Not at all. We call it DJ, and it's a
If there was-
respectful
if there-
profession.
Okay,
Yeah.
if there was a terrorist and a DJ both drowning, who would you save and why?
DJ.
You sure?
Absolutely.
What if he was playing a set while drowning?
I would still save the
Are
DJ.
you serious?
I love DJs, man.
Brother,
I love parties.
terrorist ने क्या किया तेरे को? Okay, man, this guy is unbelievable. Check out Rahul's special.
Yep.
Who are you? And if you're in Europe or in the vicinity in June, July, just check it out. Get onto his Insta
And you'll see the
see the
ticket link.
details of when and where. And if you probably hit him up for it, he might give you a discount.
Yes.
You have to pay in pounds and euros and all that.
मैं देखूंगा ही नहीं. हाँ.